Hi everyone, this is Bike Trial Winter 2. I think one is also there, we'll show it. So for one, you can see our previous video. So let's start the game. So here are the colors. Whatever color you want, you can choose. We are choosing black. So you can change the bike by clicking arrows.
But we don't have any money so that we can't.
So these all are the levels. Now here it is not like levels. Here it's track 1, track 2 and many more. So let's go to track 1. Press any key.
Go.
Start the race. So these all are the speed breakers. Be slow. So this is type of a bridge type. So you should go a little slow or else you'll fall down. Let's see the game now. Oh my gosh. So this is a winter place, that's why so much snow is falling. That is a checkup point, okay? You should go a little slow. Just jump it high. So game over. So I feel you like it. We got only 1 star. Okay, we got 3 stars. So it's very nice. I think game is over. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. And we have many more videos like Vedic maths, robotics, comedy, entertainment, dance, cooking and many more. So do like and share to your friends. Subscribe. Thank you.